Yeah, I think this is expired. I can't find a tissue. You know what is a bigger problem after filming? Is cleaning up a mess. And trust me, when people do empties, their house looks really cluttered. Alright, let's go. Cheers! Hi guys, hello and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I've done like a proper sit down video, and I feel like it's time we do the empties. This is the box that I have here, and it's like completely filled, like you can see. Apart from that, I think this will be the last empties of the year. I did upload like 2 or 3 videos if I'm not wrong. I'll leave it up in the card, so check it out. But all of these things I'm going to talk about, whether they're likable, not likable, whether I like it, or whether you should try it and all of that. It's personally my opinion. It's no way, shape or form I am dissing a brand. It's not like that. And nowadays I've gotten into a new taste of so basically I'm not a person who drinks, and I have a lot of glass, I have a fever for glasses, so I've started putting Sprite. This looks like water, but this is Sprite. I was out of Coke, or else I would have told that was wine. Anyways, so I have a bunch of Sprite here because I need a lot of caffeine. It's really late in the night. It's 1 o'clock and I just got ready. It took me an hour to get ready. And I really want you to appreciate my makeup. I have this beautiful teal shimmer with pink. Really pretty, and I tried doing a little bit of a glitter, like eyeliner, not a wing. But yeah, this is the top that I wore in the previous vlog as well. If you guys have not checked it out, check it. Everything is in the cards. But like I told in that video, let's start with this because I am no longer going to have this. I'm going to give it off. But first, let's have some Sprite. This is the only kind of caffeine that I'm addicted to. So let's start with this one. It's not like an empty, but I know that this is something that I'm never going to wear. It's very tight and it's a large size. This is from a brand called as Damira, Cherry Jane's brand, and I cannot, this is a large size, it's not a small size, and it is so tight. I can physically not breathe in this, but I wanted to like match the eyes and give that, very beautiful, sultry, colorful look. So I got this one. Apart from this, I do like the color, I like the pattern. It's like that beautiful pastel color. Do you remember, I think recently I've seen Deepika Padukone wear a sari like this, Deepika or Kareena, I don't remember. It's a full hands, it's turtleneck, everything is beautiful. Sizing is the only issue, so I'm giving it off. I'm giving it to my cousins because the other day they came and they loved it a lot. So I told, give me one last chance so that I can put it, wear it, click some pictures as a memory. I really like this top, genuinely like it, but I cannot wear it. It's too tight and it hugs the wrong parts, and that's not my cup of tea. Anyways, so that's that. And also I've been doing a lot of giving away to my cousins. I'm like, thrift shop, thrifting, like it's not like thrifting for me, but it's thrifting for them, because I used to do that with my neighbor and my cousins, and I felt like, it's time that I also do it. My wardrobes are filled with stuff, so I'm gonna like reduce it and I'm not gonna shop for at least 6 months. That is my plan. I've rambled a lot. I need another sip of Sprite. Anyways, so yeah, this is a very long intro, I know that, but let's go. Let's get into today's video and I talk about the last empties of 2021. I'm gonna put it over here because I want all the products here so that I have to like dump it in my kabada wala. The first thing that I have is actually from Fool. This is their luxury incense cones. Now if you don't know, Fool is a really cool brand and I've bought so many things from them. I really like their initiative. It's like all the flowers in the temple, they're made from those kind of flowers, and this is vegan and this is PETA approved as well. So these are like incense cones and I'm so in love with this. I bought like this is the flavor, this is the fragrance, Indian rose, then I have white cedar, then I also have jasmine. I have so many from them. I really love them a lot, and I'm definitely gonna buy. It's not like I'm gonna buy, I've already repurchased from them. I really love them. And then gift boxes for Diwali and all were really cool. I've actually wanted to send one to my sister-in-law, but it was really late to come. That's the only problem with them. They don't have Amazon or one-day delivery things, so it takes a while for them to get it. So yeah, I couldn't give it to her, but definitely their gift sets for any festival are really good. I approve them. The next thing I have is Miss Claire's. Now this is like a French nail set. I think I got it like last year or before yours birthday, if I'm not wrong, but I've never used it and I feel like I can't use it. I really can't. I love my extensions and I have to get my nails done. I don't have extensions this month because for Christmas I wanted red nails and I thought, you know, the red nails are too big for extensions and it's too bright and bold in the face. So yeah, I got my normal nails, but trust me, I am definitely going back for extensions. I cannot live without them. The next thing I have is a Rice Water Bright. This is from the Face Shop. This is the Rice Water Bright cleansing oil. Lovely. This breaks down your makeup like magic in seconds. Even be it your waterproof mascara or anything, I really love that one so much and I'm definitely going back to repurchase that one. The next thing that I have is from Ted Baker. This is their body souffle. This is really pretty. It's such a cute orange color tin and it has a body it smells it smells too strong, but it's really good. I remember I got this from my sister-in-law for, I think it was after my engagement or after my marriage. She gave this entire bag of Ted Baker's and I still did not finish those fragrances. They're still there and I'm still using those body lotions. Really love them. The next thing that I have is from Himalaya. This is their Nourishing Skin Cream. I really like this one. This is something my mom used to use and this scent always reminds me of her. This is a really lovely one. She always wanted this one and not the cocoa butter. I am using the cocoa butter, but she really liked this and I've used it and then I've given it to her. So I definitely recommend. This is a big tub and it's really affordable as well. I got this entire tub for $220, so I feel like it's much affordable and you can travel with it. It's really easy, no problem. The next one I have is actually a hand wash. This is from Fiamma. It's their peppermint and green apple fresh variant. I like it. For hand washes, I don't have a lot of preference. It's very plain and mild. The next thing I have is this one. This is from Himalayas. This is their Damage Repair Protein Conditioner. It's full. Like, it's so heavy. It's full. But I forgot to use it and it's expired. So I'm just giving it off. I'm not using it. I'm just throwing it off. The next thing I have and I love so much and I'm so scared that they're going to discontinue is Thirstyy. This is their Thirstyy liquid glass. I love this one so much. I also follow Farah and Ali together on Instagram and I really like that he's coming up with new fragrances and all. I mean new formulas and all, but I'm really scared because at one point of time he really told that he's going to like discontinue it because he wanted to focus on family and that was so sweet of him to like confess and tell it on front. I've never seen a guy telling that, you know, family is important to me. So it's a personal detour, but yeah, I love the Thirstyy one. Okay, the next one I have is something I love so much. This is a Swiss skincare Manuka honey detoxifying clay mask. Now this is one of the best products. So if you don't know, Manuka honey is one of the most expensive honeys and it smells really good. It's one of the most expensive honeys that I think you can only find in New Zealand or Australia or somewhere like that. But it's really expensive, but I really like it as well. It gives like good amount of nourishment, good amount of moisturizer, and it's like a clay mask. It like cleans your skin and makes it like, you know, squeaky clean. The next thing that I have is from Vaseline. This is their Vaseline Lip Therapy in Cocoa Lips. Now this was something I did not buy it. I actually stole it from Lalit. He had it because he was traveling to London or somewhere and he picked it up. So, or somewhere like that. He did not get it in India because in India they just got relaunched, but it's not like that. The next one is from Lalit. This is their Nilgiri Sandal Fairness Face Pack. This was something that he bought when we went to Bangalore and yeah, he liked it. So I was like, yeah, fine, get it, give it. I'm going to share it with my people. The next one I have is something very close to my heart and it breaks my heart. This was over for years and years and I've never gotten the guts to like throw it, but I'm doing it now. This is the Victoria's Secret's Pink with a Splash Pretty and Pure. It's a fragrance. Oh my god, this takes me back to my inter, my 10th class, my childhood. I just can't. Sprite Brick. The next one I have is a toothpaste. This is the Pepsodent Germy Check toothpaste. This is the only toothpaste that I use because my doctor has personally recommended that to me. The next one I have is something I've used to the T. This is the Pantene Open Hair Miracle. I really like this one, but for now I'm giving my hair a little break and not using a lot of products on this. I do have something in my mind to buy. Next one I have is Dermy Cool. This is a prickly heat powder. Now the reason I got this is because sometimes I like to apply a little bit of powder on my underarms, sometimes in summers because it gets really hot and it gets really itchy for me, so that is why. Let's do a little bit of makeup now. The first one I have is oh my god, this is like my favorite foundation. This is a Fit Me from Maybelline. This is 322 Warm Honey. Yeah, I think there's nothing left. There is a little left in this, but I'm pretty sure that this is expired. It's been more than 3 years, so there's very little left, so I'm giving it off. I do not want to break my skin. My skin is more important than a foundation. But this is in the shade 322 Warm Honey. This is my exactly my shade. I love it so much. Another one that I have is something that my friend and I bought for the first time because we were not that clear on foundations. That is the Lakme 9 to 5 CC cream in the shade Bronze. This is an all-in-one. This has an SPF 30 PA++. But trust me, Lakme does their beautiful products. Lakme's 9 to 5 foundation is my favorite, but this has shitty foundation shades. Not a fan of the shades of all the complex, like you know, those CC creams come like that, and I don't like them for that reason. But trust me, this is really good. But if it was in my shade, I wouldn't have even needed a foundation. And back then I used to wear this a lot. Now when I go back to those photographs, the flash and the discoloration in my face and the original color and this is, oh my god, I can't. Another one that I did not use and I got it off the Amazon sale. I remember this was the Amazon Great Indian Sale or something like that, and I got this one for 15 rupees. This is the Garnier Skin Naturals BB cream, and this is in the shade, I think there's no shade. I think, yeah, this is no shade. The reason I got this was I saw Sejal applying this and it's not my shade, you guys. I'm going to show you guys. I'm not even lying. Like, can you guys see the shade? It's so white. It's really, really white, and it's so, yeah, can you see that? It's too white. It is very, very, I want to say, yeah, I think it's, okay, I'm going to clean it off because I think it is, okay, where is it? Can you see the breakage of this product? I think this is expired and I can't afford to break my skin because of that, so that is going. Another one of my favorite, absolutely amazing product is the Lanyard Lip Sleeping Mask. I love this one so much. Lalit loves it. I think this is the 10th or the 15th bottle that I'm on. I cannot live without it. The next one that I have is these kind of fake lashes. These are the lashes that I picked it off on a street market and they're so fake, so flimsy. I cannot. I'm just throwing it off. I cannot do this. This is another one of Lalit's Empties. This is the Pons Super Light Gel. It has hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. I bought this for myself, but this has so much fragrance. I gave it to Lalit because it broke my skin out and it worked beautifully for him. Like you know, another one of the Pantene Pro Vitamin Oil Replacement. I really like this one. I will definitely repurchase it. Another one of the empty is the Simple Kind to Skin Hydrating Light Moisturizer. Love it, love it, love it. It's an amazing formula. I've already repurchased another one. Another hand wash I have is from Lux. This is the Bergamot Delight. This has bergamot and mint. A really pretty packaging, really beautiful color, and I'm definitely in love with it. Another one of an empty is from Yevadam Revitalizing Toner. This is how the packaging is. It's a mini, and yeah, I'm done with that. Next and the last of my beauty wipes that I had was from Cara, and I'm done. I'm completely over this. Really, really happy about it. And now I'm not using any makeup wipes. Another one of my perfumes that I'm done was from Miniso. This is the Dating You. This is an absolutely beautiful, this is a beautiful perfume. This gives me that sexy girl boss kind of a fragrance. Really love this one. Another empty is from Bio Oil. I'm not going to repurchase this now because I'm using a lot of oils, but definitely this is a beautiful one. It gives you an amazing coverage. I'm done with my bindis, so this is here as well. Another one is another and the last couple of empties that I have is This is the Wallflower from Bath and Body Works. Yeah, this is, I think it is, I want to say this is that Hawaii thingy something. I really like these wallflowers. Really pretty. The only problem is you don't know what fragrance it is, so you have to remember it when you're removing it. So yeah, that's the only con, but I already have so many installed. Getting rid of my lens cases because I'm no more going to use these lens cases. I'm so happy about it. The last one, this is kind of a food favorite. This is a saffron. So what Lalit does is he usually uses it in his turmeric milk or something like that. I don't use it. I've never used saffron, but this is his food favorite and he loves this one so much. Yeah, those are all the empties that I have for you guys this time. I hope you enjoyed it. All of these products, most of these products this time were a hit. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, come join my family. It'll mean a lot to me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.